Have you ever been so comfortable watching TV, but your dogs won't stop nagging you to go feed them? If so, then I have the perfect invention for you. Introducing the Auto Dog Feeder 3000. All you have to do is call your dad. Once he answers, ask him politely, since he is much closer than you are, if he will start the machine for you. Once he says yes, your work here is done. Here's how it works. Your dad will simply hold the mallet back and release it so it hits the golf ball. The golf ball will travel up the track and hit the dominoes down. The dominoes will hit each other and eventually hit a golf ball, which will then go into a funnel and go down the paper towel roll ramp and knock the Jenga block out from under the duct tape roll. The duct tape roll will roll down the ramp, hit the bowl, and the bowl will release the string holding the dog food in place. The dog food will then go into the bowl. When the mallet collides with the golf ball, it is an elastic collision, but not perfect. The ball is at rest while the mallet swings towards it at a specific velocity. When they collide and bounce off of each other, the system then has greater momentum to the left. The mallet gives the ball velocity and transfers its momentum to allow the ball to make it up the ramp, while the mallet swings backwards with less momentum. This shows that momentum is conserved in this collision, but kinetic energy is not. The leftward force of the golf ball overcomes the static friction acting on the domino from the table and converts it to kinetic friction. The force of gravity pulls the domino down. This changes its gravitational potential energy to kinetic energy, and since each domino has the same distance between them, the one before it is able to convert its potential energy into kinetic energy. Since each domino is hit under its center of gravity or balance point, they all topple over. The roll of duct tape begins at rest with gravitational potential energy mgh. It rolls down the ramp, and this potential energy becomes rotational kinetic energy 1/2 I omega squared and linear kinetic energy 1/2 mv squared at the bottom of the ramp. The duct tape is a hoop with moment of inertia mr squared. It has greater rotational inertia than, say, a solid disk because its mass is distributed around its outer edge, the furthest away from the axis of rotation possible. This means that it will start to roll down the ramp fast, but not pick up a speed as quickly as a disk would. It has to use up more rotational kinetic energy to do so. This is why it does not hit the bowl with a great enough force to knock it off the chair like a disk would, but just enough to move it slightly. Now your dog is happy and fed with you doing minimal work, and you can get back to watching your show. Thanks for watching!